Did you know that you can start making money on YouTube today, even if you're not monetized, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, even if you don't have 4,000 watch hours? You can start making money now. I've monetized a channel before. It's a music channel. And I was making money way before 1,000 subscribers. I was making money way before joining the partnership program. Now, I'm still figuring things out, but I'll tell you what I did on my other channel. I want to share that with you guys. I'm going to tell you why it's important not to rely on AdSense and why it should not be your priority. All right, if you're on this journey to grow a channel and make some money, please hit the subscribe button. I'm almost at 400 subscribers. It would mean a lot if you join the crew. Why I said not to rely on AdSense, why it shouldn't be your priority. Well, AdSense is great. You know, you can make money from ads running on your videos. The thing is, it's not consistent. You don't know how much you're gonna make. Of course, the more you get views, the more you're gonna make. But even so, the CPM is never the same. Okay, the CPM, cost per mille, is the amount of money that YouTube pays you per 1,000 views. It can fluctuate. It can fluctuate depending. It all depends on how advertisers are paying for. How much are they paying for these ads that they're putting on your video? Some niche have higher CPM rates than others. So, and it always fluctuates on a monthly basis, from year to year, and so on. So, of course, AdSense, it's something that you want to do, of course. As soon as you get to 1,000 subscribers, we all want to apply to be in the partnership program. This is a no-brainer. We're gonna do that. But a lot of people don't realize that there's a lot of ways that you can make money before that, and is essential to grow a sustainable business. So of course we want to do the AdSense, but it is unpredictable. We don't know how much will come in at the end of the month, and they can shut you off like that. So you definitely don't want to be at YouTube's mercy when it comes to building a brand, building a business. All right. So here's the two main things that I did to make some money on my music channel. I used to do a live stream every Friday. It was called Cheers to Friday. And it was just me playing with my acoustic guitar, singing, and interacting with my audience. I was getting a sponsor every week. At one point, I got a sponsorship deal from one company. They were sponsoring my live stream every week for a year. Plus, I was getting another sponsor on top of that. So I was getting money from that. Not a whole bunch of money, but it was bringing in, I think at that point, about $600 a month. So that's pretty cool. And also simply people would donate money during the live stream. You know, kind of a buy me a coffee type thing, GoFundMe type thing. It's kind of a tip jar, basically. I think YouTube offers that when you are at 500 subscribers, but they will take, I think it's 40 to 60% of that amount. 30 to 40, 50, maybe I'm wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, but they will take a chunk of that. Another great way that I was using YouTube as the platform, I was also attracting people that were interested in learning how to play music. I was offering lessons, music lessons, guitar lessons, voice lessons, performance lessons, performance coaching. And people were contacting me to book an appointment. Another great way that I'm making money on my channel is really using it to promote my merchandising on my website. So when I do a live stream, I promote my merchandise. And I sell, you know, t-shirts and hats and all sorts of things. So that's a great way to do an income outside of YouTube, but through YouTube, using it as the platform. And lastly, the biggest one is my music services. I use YouTube to promote my brand, my music, and I secure gigs, I secure shows through my YouTube channel. During the live streams, I've secured a lot of gigs through that. And also just by using YouTube as kind of a digital kit, digital press release kit that I can use to show potential clients what I sound like, how I perform, and all this sort of stuff. You're selling your service through the platform, all right? So those are the ways that I've been doing it on my music channel, but I'm learning now that there are many more ways to do this. So let's get into this a little deeper. There's a thing called affiliate marketing, and that's a great one. I've used it already on this channel, and I've made a little bit of profit already. I made a video on this particular microphone, actually. This is a Newer CM28 microphone. It's a lavalier mic, and I made a live stream explaining how to, I was kind of unboxing it, a little bit of a review, and I was testing it out. I put the link in the description, somebody bought it, and I made 10 bucks. So affiliate marketing is a powerful tool or a way to make money. If you do unboxing of products, if you do tech reviews, if you're talking about the products or the tools or the software that you're using to create videos or all this stuff, you can add the link in your description. If people click on it and they buy it, you make a cut. You make money off of that. So that's a great way to make money. You can start with one subscriber if you want. Also, like I said earlier, on my music channel, I used it to sell one-on-one music lessons and whatnot. You could use that if you're coaching someone. You can create an ebook. You could create a course to sell online that you can sell more than once, right? You create it one time, you can sell it as many times as you want. Very powerful, and you can do that way before you're monetized. Now here's another way, but this one you need to have 500 subscribers, not 1,000, but 500. And it's a membership portal that you can make available for your audience, and you can have a membership fee where they buy into the membership fee, they pay monthly, and they get special perks. They get your attention, let's say. They get, it's kind of a VIP room, if you will. But that one, like I said, you're gonna have to wait for 500 subscribers. And I believe it's 3,000 watch hours. So there is a requirement for that one, but it happens before the 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so those are all great ways that you should be prioritizing and not really relying on AdSense. It's really important not to be at the mercy of YouTube, because anything can happen. The trick to build a strong business online is to get your audience to trust you and like you and want to kind of invest in you, in your product, in yourself, in your business. Okay, that's the key here. To build a relationship with them, each one of them, and obtain their email address. You obtain their email address, and let's say something happens to your YouTube channel, you can always communicate with them through an email somewhere else than YouTube, all right? Remember, AdSense is only a small percentage of the income that most successful YouTubers make. So for this channel, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I wanna build community. I know there's a big need for this in this world, is the sense of community. So I want to start building that. I want to start building relationships with other YouTube creators, other people that want to kind of change their lives later in life. I want to try to kind of package that as a business. I want to maybe offer some one-on-one coaching eventually once I get better, write a program or something, merchandising. There's all kinds of ways that I can see this channel grow as a business, and I'm trying to kind of explore other ways to make money other than AdSense. And what's going to happen if you focus more on that type of approach, try to build a business from day one, try to grow your clientele, help people, learn from them, your subscribers will come. Eventually, automatically, you will be in the partnership program and start collecting from AdSense while making money elsewhere as well, because you're going to be starting to make money elsewhere sooner. So in essence, it's really not to aim for 1,000 subscribers. That's what I need. Now I'm going to start making money. That should not be your focus. Your focus should be, okay, I have 20 subscribers right now. I have 100 subscribers. How can I help them as much as possible? Gain their trust and learn from them so that I can reach more people to help and that they can get better and offer more services and products to help them, just to solve their problems. Focus on that instead. Focus on that, and the AdSense will come automatically. Your 1,000 subscribers will come automatically. Your views will come automatically, because that's a byproduct of everything that you're doing by focusing on growth and connecting with an audience. But if you're gonna start creating products early on, be careful not to push your product too much in down their throats and trying to sell things. That's not how you wanna start. You wanna have a good strategy first to gain people's trust. So these are just some of the ways that I know of, that I've been using and it worked for me, and some new ways that I'm gonna be trying out. Let me know, guys, in the comments if you're starting to think of maybe another way aside from AdSense, or if you're strictly just relying on AdSense, that's what you're in for, and you want to do that, that's cool too. And you just want to not build a business, but you want to kind of just have a channel where you can have fun with the partnership program. That's cool too. So if you found value in this video, guys, please hit the like button, give me a subscribe, and make sure you check out this next video here, and I will see you there. All right, guys, cheers, later.